Hi there, my name is Mark Ambridge, Topcoat Specialist Coatings. I'm here with Troy Morrison, CEO of Dunkin Donuts in his brand new production facility.
Our floors are performing really well. I think one of the key criteria for us is that we needed to have a seamless floor when we're doing washdowns, that we don't have any issues with that from a food safety point of view. It's super important that they can clean quickly and clean well, and also it will take the impact if they drop things or have spills and things like that. And the floors have to interact really well with the drainage. That's a big tick, so we're really happy with that. I was really impressed actually. Logistical things that you don't foresee.
We do.
And it was quite incredible that the guys were able to say, right, the timeline's now been shortened. We'll work longer and we'll work harder and we'll get it done.
I was very pleased with how you guys came on site, did the job. Very good with the time as well. That was really critical to us. So yeah, incredibly happy, very happy.